Hello, welcome to today's video. Today's video, it's a Thursday, so it's a more general chit chat vlog slash pregnancy baby video. Today I'm actually going to be doing a couple of things that I wanted to bring you along with me. I also really wanted to document this kind of stuff because I know in the future when I'm not pregnant anymore and the baby's here, I'm going to want to watch back on these memories just to see like life before pregnancy. Before a baby. So today I need to sort out the baby's nursery. It's honestly like a truck has driven through there, reversed a few times and sped out of that room. It's absolutely a mess. It's all over the place. I am over 33 weeks pregnant now, so it is the time where I have to actually be making a move. Like, we need to be doing more things. I haven't been procrastinating as such, but I've thought, oh, I'll save that, I've got plenty of time, I'll save that, I've got plenty of time. And the weeks are starting to go by really, really quickly. And for all I know, I could give birth at any time. Who knows? Fingers crossed the baby stays cooking for a little bit longer. But yeah, there's a lot more for us to do. Today I just wanted to sort through the nursery a little bit, get everything put in its places. There's lots of like little DIY things I need to do in the nursery. I'll show you in a separate video, like a DIY thing. But for now it's just about clearing the floor. Also today I'm going to wash all of our cloth nappies. So I'll take you through that process in a bit. But yeah, let's just get straight into it. I hope you're all doing really, really well. Feel free to subscribe if you want to follow along on my journey. Give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget to do that because it really helps the channel out. And yeah, let's just go. So I'm in the nursery now. I was just in my office. You may have seen the cot in there a second ago. That is going to be moving into this room. Lawrence built it last week and forgot to measure it, so it's stuck in the office for now. But that's fine because I actually need the floor space in this room while I'm sorting lots of things out. So before we get any of that done, I need to make myself an icy drink. I'm just loving icy drinks at the moment. It's been really nice temperatures and really nice really nice weather the last few days, so I have been loving like cold icy drinks. So I'm gonna make probably blackcurrant juice with ice. Okay, this is what we're dealing with. A lot of things everywhere. So my priority today is to sort out all the cloth nappies and things like that, which is in this box and the bag over there, and also just to organise things into drawers so we know where everything will go. As you can see, I've got lots of things everywhere, like clothes. All of this still has tags on and all of it still needs to be washed. But I'm going to do that in due course. Like, I'm probably going to do that in a couple of weeks' time. There's a lot of cloth nappies that I do need to wash. And although they've already been washed, they've been sitting in my sister's cupboard for a couple of years now. I want to freshen them up. Ooh, little Wilbur can go up here actually. There you go, Wilbur. You can sit there. This is a beautiful homemade blanket by my mother-in-law. Oh, it's got my cardigan attached. By my mother-in-law, and she's put it in a lovely little bag. So obviously that doesn't need washing. Put that in there for now. I also need to glue this in the drawer. You know, IKEA furniture, when these come loose. So much here. Wow. That's a lot of reusable nappies. There is so much here. I need to have a drink. I'm loving cold juice at the moment. Also, the stomach acid is something else. I mean, it's something else during pregnancy. I'll show you this diagram of what my organs currently look like. I mean, it's not my actual organs, but kind of a diagram of someone who's in their third trimester, what their organs look like. There is no wonder I have constant stomach acid reflux because all of my organs are like squished up here together. Anyway, now we've got that boring chat out of the way. Look at all of these. There is so much to go through. There's gorgeous, these ones. So that doesn't look like a nappy to me, but is it a lining? So it's from the brand Mio. Is that a nappy lining? What is that? Or is it a It's got like a thicker middle line. Is it a terry cloth, like a terry towel nappy? I'm gonna have to put those ones aside because they're white anyway. So I'm gonna wash those in the detergent, but with white. That's an insert. I'll put that with the white stuff. Bambino.co.uk. I don't know what those are. Maybe they are like the traditional terry towel type ones. I'm really lucky because I actually have this from Nimble, which is actually cloth nappy detergent. So this is specifically for cloth nappies. There's no nasties in this, no parabens, no perfumes. It's all plant-based. So we're going to give this a go and see how it works. She also packed these, which I think are also linings. I'm really not sure. I know there's some great YouTube videos I need to watch at some point when I get the time. Cute. I really like this one. I think this is a swim one because it's like swim material. Loads of inserts. So essentially with cloth nappies you get lots of inserts. Some of them come with inserts attached to the cloth nappy. And then some, like this one, you would just put the insert in there. You would clear whatever, you know, any solids off the insert into the bin and then just wash it otherwise. And obviously you can wash the actual nappy if it's a mess as well. But yeah, there's loads of these white inserts which I'll be putting on a separate wash. Oh, that's cute. Lots of them seem to be from this Bambino brand. Did I mention? Not sure if I did mention, but it's all hand-me-downs, which is really, really great. I also have basically two big boxes of My Pura nappies from my sister-in-law. So those are going to be my kind of, well, they're newborn size, which is great because as soon as the baby's here, I'm probably going to just use them and then get my head around using cloth nappies. I'm going to just do what I can. Do you know what I mean? Like, I'm not going to put loads of pressure, like, oh, I have to be cloth nappying all the time, because sometimes I might think when I'm out and about, a disposable, ethical but disposable nappy is going to be so much better. Or otherwise, we might think, oh no, disposable nappies are, we've got our head around them now, we can easily use them. But then if I'm dropping the baby at like friends, family, whoever, and they don't want to use cloth nappies, I can just drop down some disposable with them. They're cute, aren't they? Oh my god, look at that one. Fruity. Here's one which has the insert already. And a lot of these are actually one size. Apparently they can take you from birth because they've got multiple buttons here so you can tighten them up. Roar. Oh my gosh, soon I'm going to be actually like washing baby clothes and things like that, like when the baby's actually here. I just find it so cute putting like tiny clothes on the washing line.
But you're also leaving me behind.
Okay, here is the colour load. As you can see, there's quite a lot. So it's everything that's got colours on it and things like that. We're going to take this down now with the Nimble detergent. By the way, that stuff smells like talcum powder. It smells lovely. Need is detergent. You're not meant to put softener with this stuff, so that's fine. And then the load I'm going to do after is all this white stuff. For some reason, don't ask me why, I'm really excited to wash these nappies and have them hanging outside to dry. It's sunny at the moment, so I don't know why. I'm just really excited about that. I've not done it before, and it's just exciting. Don't ask me why. But let's get it done.
There's no one like you, my little girl. Your eyes so blue under those brown curls. Soon you're on your way. Promise me that you know the world is yours. Strike them with your glow.
Okay, I've put the white stuff back in the pot, so that can go in a separate wash with the white stuff. Now I'm going to crack on with everything else. I'll store this side in the corner. That's got to store quite a lot of things, so I'm going to clear some drawers downstairs as well. That's going to clear help give us room. I think because obviously when the baby is here, we're going to be spending a lot of our time downstairs and upstairs obviously, and whilst we're downstairs it'll be good to have like a supply of nappies and just general things the baby uses quite often. Okay, now drawers. Yes, I still haven't got handles. Lawrence and I need to figure out what we're going to do because it's really hard to order handles with 2 holes. If we fill the holes, that means we have to paint the whole thing, but we don't want to paint it. So we're going to look for some kind of nice rope or faux leather, I think, and put it through there. But I don't know, that's a project I'm probably going to pass completely on to Lawrence. But so far in... So this drawer, okay, so this drawer I've got lots of drawer dividers at the moment. Obviously they're not staying there. There's some newborn vests. Here's some newborn white suits. I do actually have more newborn white suits in here actually from my sister-in-law. These are muslins because apparently I needed 1 billion muslins. I listened to you all, so let's hope I do need these all. These are like special clothes that Lawrence bought for the baby. They're much later use because they're like 12 months or 9 months onwards. So I'm going to fill up more newborn like kind of sleep suits here and vests and things. These I can put maybe socks and hats, or I don't know what else. What would need? I don't know, but I need more drawer dividers. I might have to go to IKEA. These are from Amazon. Right, so I have lots of clothes. I also have lovely little knitted things. So I've got knitted boots, a knitted hat, knitted blanket from baby's grandma. I have a knitted cardigan that was knitted by my nan for me and my sister. So knitted stuff I'm going to keep separately because that stuff's special as well. But yeah, I've got lots of these onesies. So these are actually from my sister-in-law. I'm just looking at them now. Unbelievably small. Look at these tiny little trousers. That is ridiculous. A baby can actually fit that. Lovely little newborn vests, which are going to come in handy. A really nice little newborn sleep suit. It's got little grey bunnies on. Gave me 2 of these boxes. One is unopened. It's absolutely full of ethical nappies. She also handed me over some breast pads. That's helpful. I hadn't bought any of those yet. Cool. Some breast pads and some tenner ladies for after birth. And then these are the nappies, the ethical nappies she's passed me. So I've got loads of them now, which is really great. Okay, so nutmeg newborn. So these are from Morrison's. Fold those up. That's also Morrison's newborn. These ones are 0 to 3, so I can put those in a separate drawer, I think. Newborn vests. Should I even take them out of the packets? What? I'm not going to take these out. I'm not going to take these out of the packet. I'm going to leave them in for a bit, just in case I never get around to using them, and then someone else can have them like donated, but in like perfect condition. I mean, I might use them, but who knows? I could give birth to a 10-pounder. It's happened before. It can happen again. Okay, I'll take that one out. Then these, newborn as well. See, I might not need those. I'm gonna leave these 2 in the pack. And put those aside. Anyway, I'm gonna fold all of the newborn stuff up and put it with the rest of the stuff. And I'm gonna fold the 0 to 3 as well, but put that in a separate box.
Be fine.
Just so I know where I'm at.
Live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind. Live, it's your life.
Okay, so these are more newborn things I've wrapped up. So we've got sleep suits and vests. So all of that is sleep suits, I think, and that's a pile of vests. We've got a few more 0 to 3 bits. I have loads of 0 to 3 bits, but I've stored them away somewhere and I randomly can't remember. But I'm going to put these in the drawer anyway. So I'm going to put these away first in the dividers because everything here is going to always be for newborn, and then I'm going to swap it out when the time comes.
New ideas can be pleasantly overgrown.
Okay, this is all the progress I'm making for today. I'm starting to struggle with the old third trimester symptoms. If I'm on my feet too long, my legs start getting really swollen. Don't worry, I spoke to the midwife. Everything's okay, it's just a normal thing. I've just got lots of fluid, which is great. But I'm starting to feel really tired from kind of running up and down the stairs all day because I've been doing other things. But let me show you what I've made the progress so far. I'm just about to go downstairs because I heard the washing had finished, so we can hang up cloth nappies and also just see how well that detergent worked. This is the progress so far. So literally most of the things have actually come off the floor. By the way, I will be getting new blinds for the baby's room when it's here. I found some lovely ones. These boxes are ethical nappies, and there's a basket there which I'll be putting like toys and things in. But these I need to find a better storage place for because I'm pretty much out of space in all of these drawers. Well, I will be. So at the bottom I've just put the baby bath, which I can put in the bathroom to be honest when the baby's here. I've put some of the cleaning products for now. I need to get a separate basket so I can put them downstairs in the cleaning cupboard. I've got some wipes and loads of nappies. The second up drawer, I've got just random bits basically. So I've got the car mirror which needs to go into the car. We're going to be getting our car seat quite soon, so that won't be in this drawer for very long. I've got spare bits to the crib in there. They're just going to stay there for now. I've got a sleep nest, maternity pads. But again, I'm going to actually get a separate basket and set up a whole kind of post-birth and breastfeeding type basket, just like loads of stuff, like some of this stuff that I'm going to need, like spritz for your bits, just to keep it all in a little basket, and I'll probably keep that in either our bedroom or downstairs. The next drawer up for now is spare clothes. So we've got, well, the knitted stuff and the knitted blanket. So the blanket will go in the crib once we've got the mattress and all of that. Got some 0 to 3 vests and onesies, which I do have a lot more of, but I need to dig them out. And then we've got this drawer, which is looking the most organised. Obviously everything's going to be coming out to go to the wash. We've got loads of sleep suits, loads of vests, loads of muslins and other things. These so far are all newborns. So yeah, hopefully the baby's not too big when it comes out. So yeah, I'm kind of getting there. We've got some things up here. So this is from Prezi Box. I'll link it down below. It's the most beautiful teddy. I've got that, which I'm going to be putting on the wall, which is a scan embroidery. This, I'm going to be painting the frame white. Maternity, pregnancy stuff. I use some of these products right now. So, oh yeah. Oh, did I even show you the drawers up above? The 2 little drawers? I don't think I have been showing them. Okay, I totally forgot about these existing. So I might put my maternity stuff in here, and then some baby stuff like this in there. I don't know. Do you know what? I need to look at someone else's organisation for their babies and just see which level they put like clothes, baby bath bits, stuff like that.
Go on now, be good, be fine, live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind, live it's your life, go on now. Chase your dreams, everything, go on now, be good, be fine, live your life.
There we go, all of the colourful nappies now hanging up, the cloth ones, so we're going to let those dry, and then I think tomorrow I'm just going to put on the whitewash because there's quite a lot here, but they smell really nice, and to be honest they've come out feeling lovely, so I really think that detergent from Nimble has done a very good job. Now to eat our dinner. And for dinner Lawrence made us garlicky cheesy pasta.
Yeah,
looks really nice. Actually, I just had a bite, it's delicious. This curly pasta, where's it from? Lidl or Aldi?
I think it's an Aldi middle aisle.
It's so good.
Really good.
So good. So I'm going to enjoy this now.
To be kind, live it's your life, go on now, change